Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on extracting the domain name from email column in SQL. So I have already made one video on this, how to extract the domain name and username from the email column in SQL. But here I'm showing 5 different ways to extract the domain name, to get the domain name from email address in SQL using different functions. So I am using the following functions: substring, CHARINDEX, PATINDEX, stuff, left, right, len, and finally reverse. By using these 8 string functions, develop 5 different queries to get the domain name from the email address. So we will see one after another. First, I am using the substring function. This is my person data. It contains person details of the including first name, last name, email, and gender. Email is also one of the field in the table. From this table, I am extracting the domain name in 5 different ways. In select statement, I want email also to confirm. The first thing I am doing here is substring. Substring is taking 3 parameters. Substring take 3 parameters, and for first one is the expression, that is nothing but email here, and second one is the starting position. Starting position, I am here searching for at symbol. So every email has at symbol. After the at symbol, we consider as a domain name. So here in starting position, I want to search CHARINDEX. What CHARINDEX will do? CHARINDEX will search for particular character in the string. So it is now I am searching for at symbol. At symbol in which column? I am searching is email column. At symbol email column I am searching, and afterwards the third parameter here I am taking a len of the email. That is also given the integer. Substring will take 3 parameters. First one expression, and remaining 2 parameters are integer parameters. CHARINDEX will search for such particular pattern and it will return integer. So now in email it is searching for at symbol, and third one integer means it's a len of the email. As I am giving the alias name domain underscore name using substring. This is my alias name. So I am running this one. So if you observe, the email domain name includes at symbol also. To remove the at symbol, we need to give plus here, +1, and 1. Then you will get the domain name from the email address. Perfect. So this is the first method to extract the domain name. And second method, I am using the same substring function, but instead of CHARINDEX, I am giving the PATINDEX. I am using the PATINDEX function. So CHARINDEX, I am PATINDEX. PATINDEX is also used for searching for pattern in a string. The only difference between CHARINDEX and PATINDEX is PATINDEX we can use the wildcards, but in CHARINDEX we cannot use wildcards. By using PATINDEX, I'm giving percentage for at symbol to search in email address, and the rest of the things will same. both PATINDEX and CHARINDEX will return integer. So I am executing this. So this is how you can get this domain address using the substring. Next I am using here is the stuff function. So before getting that how stuff function will work, we will see. So here I'm selecting one sample query to understand easily. So here I'm giving SQL and 1 and 3. I will explain, don't worry, I will explain. And this one is Java. So stuff function is one of the string functions. So it will take 4 parameters. So first one is the expression or string, and second one is the from which position you want to delete. From which position, starting from which position. I want to delete the first from first starting position 1. So how many characters you want to delete? I want to delete 3 characters. So the last one is the what is the replacement instead of after deleting. This is what stuff function will do. So if you execute this query, you will get, instead of SQL language, you will find Java language. Here Java is the replacement for SQL in the string. This is my given string. I want to remove starting from first character 3 characters, that is SQL. These 3 characters I want to remove, and the replacement here is with Java. This is how the stuff function will work. I will give one more example so that you will get clarity on stuff function. That helps you understand the how to extract the domain also. So here I am giving happy new year 2022. I am giving. So here I want to remove 2022 to 2023. So if you can count the length of the 2 position here, 15 after 15 characters, I am giving 15 here. So afterwards I want to remove 4 and replace with 2023. So this one. Yeah. So I am removing 4 characters from starting from 16th letter in the string. 16th letter comes to 2022. These are the 4 characters. I am removing these 4 characters and replacing with 2023. Hope you understand the stuff function now. Now I am using the same stuff function for getting the domain number. For that I am using the stuff directly, and stuff for expression I am taking the email, and second one here is the proportion from where you want to delete. I want to delete from at symbol onwards. At symbol onwards I am taking one CHARINDEX, using CHARINDEX, and again it is searching for at symbol from email, and I want to replace with just space. I want to replace with just space, close it, and I am giving name as domain name with stuff. Domain name with stuff. See here. If you understand this logic, you can easily understand this one. And third one I am taking here is reverse and left. First I am taking left function. Left function will take two parameters. Left function will take two parameters. One is the email and second one is the number of characters you want to replace. So here in left I am taking reverse of email. Reverse of email as my first parameter. Second one as usual I am taking CHARINDEX. CHARINDEX for searching the pattern. For CHARINDEX for searching at symbol in email. Here also I am using reverse of email. CHARINDEX at reverse of email as giving the alias name left. Yeah. What will happen here? The email address is showing as domain name address is showing in reverse. So I am using one more reverse of this again. I am taking -1 to remove the at symbol from domain. Yeah, this is how. So I will explain. First, I am taking the left parameter will take two parameters. Left function will take two parameters. One is the expression and one is the integer. As part of expression, I am taking the reverse of the email. As part of the integer, I am searching for at pattern on the reverse of email. I am searching for at pattern after reversing the email. Afterwards, we again reverse the string to get the email address. So this is how you know to get the domain name by using the left and reverse functions. So, last one I am taking here is the right function. So this is very simple. Right will take quite opposite to the left. So I am taking the right here. Right. After right will take email, and it will take second parameter as the integer. Here I am taking the integer of len of email minus CHARINDEX of at symbol in email. CHARINDEX of at symbol in email. And I am using the alias as domain name will be using left function, right function. See here, everything is perfect. So first substring with CHARINDEX and substring with PATINDEX. And third one I am using is the stuff function. I already told how to use the stuff function. By using the stuff function with CHARINDEX I am getting. So this is just somewhat complicated. If you understand, you will get very easy to understand. First I am taking the left function after reversing the email, and instead of integer I am taking the CHARINDEX of reverse email. and afterwards entire thing result will be reversed, so that you will get the extract name, extract the domain name perfectly. And finally, write will take two parameters. One is email expression, and second one is, instead of integer, I'm subtracting the CHARINDEX of the symbol from the length of the whole email. So this is how you know to get the email address by using the 5 methods. So I'm pasting all these 5 methods in my description, so that you will get copy from the description and apply as per your column names. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.